Hey YouTube friends, welcome back to another episode of Auntie's Kitchen. Simple and delicious food cooked and prepared in South Korea with South Korean ingredients. If you're new to this channel, welcome. 안녕하세요. Today we're going to be making sweet and sticky barbecue meatball sandwich. Now, I'm not going to show you today how to make meatballs, and I'll put a link on the screen somewhere to show you how to make meatballs. And I highly recommend, if you haven't made my version of meatballs, to go and make them yourself. They're just delicious meatballs. Now, usually we would serve meatballs with a tomato bolognese sauce, but I'm going to change things up today, as I do, and we are going to cook them in a sweet and sticky barbecue sauce. So today I'm going to show you how to make just a very quick version of this sauce. Now, you can put more spice in and make it more of a spicy barbecue sauce. You can really play around with the flavors as much as you want. I think the combination of the sweet and the sticky just goes really well with the meatball. It's a different flavor that you don't associate with eating meatballs. Absolutely delicious. Please make this for yourself. It's just a wonderful sandwich, a great lunchtime treat for the weekend or during the week if you have some time. It's quick because we've already made the meatballs. If you're a restaurant, I highly recommend putting this on your menu. So let me show you the ingredients and let's get cooking. Okay, I'm going to measure out the ingredients so that I know how much to tell you. Some tomato ketchup, sugar, 1, 2, 3, half turmeric, a little bit of cumin, a teaspoon of garlic powder. You could use any hot sauce, sriracha or pepper flakes that you have available to make it spicy. Splash of Worcestershire, some salt, some pepper, splash of orange juice, 1, 2 of vinegar, some paprika. Not that much. On the heat. I'm using an olive cheese ciabatta bread from a local bakery, but you could use any bread you have available. Stirring it. Worcestershire sauce. Just let that thicken now on the stove. While your sauce is cooking, keep testing it and add flavors as needed. Into my toaster, made yesterday. I'll use 4 of them. Doesn't take long. Nearly done. This barbecue sauce is done. So I'm going to switch now and just put some nice barbecue sauce onto our meatballs. Into here, put some spring onions, just coat them nicely there. Doesn't take long. I apologise, but I did not video the next part. Once my ciabatta is lightly toasted, I cover 1/2 with the meatballs and sweet and sticky barbecue sauce. I then put a light sprinkling of mozzarella cheese over and place it under the grill until it is melted. So here you have our mozzarella. I haven't done too much cheese because there's cheese in the bread and there's cheese inside of the meatballs. Skip that. And then on top of here, salad. Gotta have some salad, bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, and onto here. So here we have barbecue meatball sandwich. It is the best thing that you will ever try and make for yourself. Please make it so easy. Make the meatballs the day before, keep them in your refrigerator. Then when you want to cook them, they're available. Make your own barbecue sauce, real quick to make. Sticky, gooey, sweet. It's got a little bit of a punch to it. from the pepper sauce. It is absolutely delicious. Thanks for being with me here today. I look forward to seeing you in another episode. Until then, God bless.